Good day everyone, and welcome to today's chemistry class. My name is Ebukadi. We are going to be looking into water solution and solubility, but today we are going to be looking into water fully, while in our subsequent class we will be treating solution and solubility. Now, what is water? Water is a substance composed of hydrogen and oxygen, and it exists in gaseous, liquid and solid state. That means water exists as an hydrogen atom and as well as an oxygen atom. It exists in a gaseous state as a steam, while in liquid state as water, and a solid state as an ice. It has the ability to dissolve many other substances. Its molecular formula is H2O. That means it has two atoms of hydrogen and two atoms of oxygen. The hydrogen is positively charged while the oxygen is negatively charged, which gives it the ability to dissolve many other substances. It is a universal solvent. It can dissolve most solute, most substances. Indeed, the versatility of water as a solvent is essential to living organisms. You agree with me that 70% of human system consists of water, which make it necessary for living things, living organisms, and its immediate environment. Now let's look into solution. What is solution? A solution is a mixture formed when one or more solute dissolve in a solvent. For example, water as a solvent and sugar as a solute. When both are being combined together, they form a homogeneous solution. They are homogeneous mixture which form a solution, which is the sugar solution. And meanwhile, when a solute dissolves in solvent, it didn't disappear. For example, we have 5 grams of sugar, which is the solute, and 20 grams of solvent, which is the water. It will still give us precise 25 grams of sugar solution, even when the sugar is being dissolved in water. The only difference that will occur is the change in color of the water to a little whitish color. So it will change the natural water color to a little whitish after being dissolved, after sugar has been dissolved inside the water. Now we'll look into this more in our subsequent class. What is solubility? Solubility is the maximum amount of solute in grams that will be dissolved in solvent. A solvent can only dissolve a certain amount of solute. That means a solvent can only dissolve a certain amount of solute. Let's take for example, we have 100 grams of solute being dissolved in 10 grams of solvent. This solvent can only allow 10 grams of solute to dissolve completely, while the remaining 90 grams of solute will dissolve partially. That is why it is necessary to know the amount of solute and the amount of solvent we are using in a mixture to form a solution. Now to the sources of water, we have 6 different sources of water put up here. We have rainwater, we have spring water, we have well water, we have lake, we have ocean, we have lake, we have ocean, sea, and we have river. Now let's look into rainwater. Rainwater is the main source of drinking water. It is the purest form of natural water because it is formed as a result of the condensation of water vapor into the atmosphere. This we'll get to know better when we read the water cycle. Now, air contamination causes rainwater to become acidic and add metals such as lead into rainwater, which makes it necessary for us to treat rainwater if needs be it before using it in our various homes. Now spring water, let me define what spring is. A spring is a point at which water flows from an aquifer to the earth's surface. What is an aquifer? Aquifer is an underground layer of water bearing permeable rocks. That is an underground water, an underground source of water that is being transferred to a bigger place, to a bigger water. It contains considerably amount of mineral salts, but little impurities such as dust and bacteria. What is well water? Let me define well. A well is an excavation or structure created in the ground by digging or drilling to access liquid resources, usually water. It contains a lot of clay and other mineral salt. It is safer to boil well water before drinking. As a matter of fact, one of the medium of getting impurities from water is by boiling. So let's go to river water. You believe with me that river, lake, and sea water are almost in the same form, are almost in the same category. These three sources of water are almost in the same category. River is a large natural stream of water directing into lake and into sea. So this makes them be in the same category. When river flows, it flows into lake, it flows into sea. Definitely 50% of lake and sea is the river water. So these three sources of water contains a lot of dissolved air, mineral salt, bacteria, and organic remains. Our industry, our manufacturing companies actually redirect most of their waste back into these waters, which makes it unfit and unsafe for us to use in everywhere. They have to be specially purified before they can be used for drinking. So in our next class, we'll be looking into water cycle, hardness of water, treatment of water. So for further inquiry, you can contact Jimo Smith on jimo.edufirst@gmail.com. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.